Today on PowerNation Daily, the Scout is headed to Las Vegas. A self-driving Uber car is responsible for the death of a pedestrian. A look at the new Ford Bronco, a multi-Mustang pileup that you don't want to miss, and a thief steals a Mini Cooper but gets stuck in the process. So pull up a chair. This is PowerNation Daily.
PowerNation Daily is brought to you by Holley Sniper EFI. Experience EFI for just $999.95.
What's up, guys? I'm Gannon Pritchard. Welcome to PowerNation Daily. Thanks for hanging with us. We got a lot to talk about, so let's get right with the show. If you have an LS-based engine but can't make the haul to Bowling Green, no worries. The annual LS Fest is now headed to the West Coast. Holley's LS Fest West is happening May 4th through the 6th out at Las Vegas Motor Speedway, and PowerNation will be there with the Scout built on XOR. The Scout got a 5.3-liter engine put underneath the hood, and it is an LS power plant built on engine power, which makes it the perfect rig for LS Fest West. At this event, you can also find race cars, street rods, trucks, and pretty much anything else powered by an LS power plant. For more information, head on over to lsfest.com. Self-driving cars may be the way of the future, but that doesn't mean there's not going to be some problems along the way. Arizona officials report that a woman was killed after being struck in a Phoenix suburb by a self-driving Uber vehicle. The woman was walking outside of a crosswalk when the vehicle hit her. The self-driving Uber car was in autonomous mode, driving around 40 miles per hour at the time of the accident. Uber tweeted out a statement saying the company is fully cooperating with authorities as the investigation occurs, and the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration said it's in contact with Uber, federal and state, as well as local authorities regarding the incident, and it will take appropriate action. Our condolences go out to the family because this is a terrible, tragic accident and nobody wants to see this ever happen. The question is, what do you think about this? I've been saying it for a long time now. What's going to happen with the lawsuits? It's not really about the autonomous cars and how safe they are, but things are going to happen. Who's to blame? Who's going to have to pay the bill? Let us know in the comments what you think. Ford gave an outline of what it has planned in the next few years, and that includes the 2020 Bronco. A teaser image was released that lacks a little bit of detail, but at least it gives us an idea of what to expect when it comes to a full-size Bronco. That's what I'm talking about, full-size Bronco. Put me on the order list. Ford also announced there will be a hybrid version of the Bronco and a smaller off-road version of the 4x4 to help increase its off-road presence. So with Bronco looking to rival Wrangler, do you think Wrangler's gonna be able to up the bar and rival the Bronco? Should be interesting. All I know is I'm glad the Bronco's coming back, especially the big one. Ford Mustangs have been the butt of jokes for years now, and for good reason. They seem to crash a lot. There's never a shortage of videos when we're looking to use one for fast fails. Somehow, a bunch of Mustang drivers got together and decided to pile up their cars while apparently leaving a car meet in Dubai. It doesn't matter if they're Detroit or Dubai, they still crash. This is a lot of Mustangs, and I don't even know how it happened, but do me a favor and leave your best joke in the comments because this is just sad. In order to be a good thief, you have to be able to get away. Unfortunately, this guy didn't get the memo. The guy missed that part of it. Police came across the Mini Cooper wedged between the walls on this staircase and actually had to help the driver get out because the door wouldn't open. After they got him out, they realized, hold on, this guy stole the car. So they arrested him, charged him with Grand Theft Auto, and put him in the clinker. Talk about an embarrassing way to go to jail. Thanks for watching PowerNation Daily. I'm Gannon Pritchard. Let us know what you want to see on PowerNationTV.com. And for all you LS fans out there, stop on over to lsfest.com.